Hi, I'm Fat Papa. Today I will show you how to make the seafood tofu soup for your Mother's Day. Let us begin. Today we will have all the ingredients, and then the vegetable I didn't put in the ingredient is that you can choose the one you want. I will explain more. Then it's like only few ingredient, and then the seafood you always can switch the other, and then the only thing you need in the main ingredient is the shrimp. Now we will peel the skin on the asparagus. I use that, and you can use the bottom part of you can use the broccoli, other veggie, up to you. It's only for coloring, so the soup have like different colors, have some green in it, or you can even use the bean, it will be fine, or you don't put any of those is good. So today is not difficult. Everything you just need to chop it into small pieces, the cube size. So right now is the black mushroom. So you use the water to put those dry black mushroom, or you can use the fresh one. Then you cut it into small piece, just like a square, the cube size. It will be fine. All of them is cut in small piece. Why I will do this soup on Mother's Day? Last week I did the cake, and that one need a little bit time, and that you need to be cooked a little bit, and then some skill on it. This one, no. I hope all, like father, son, daughter, everyone is easy to make, as long as like you are old enough, like can cook. Okay, so you cut everything in small pieces. Then even the tofu you also cut in small pieces. And this time I use shrimp, crab, and then the calamari and the scallop. Like I say, some of them you can change. You can change to mussel, or you can change to clam, and a lot other. Even you can use the fish fillet. You just cut it small pieces. Fish fillet you don't cut that small. Otherwise, it will be, you cannot find it after you cook the soup. So for fish, you may cut a little bit bigger, but still you can use any of the seafood in this soup. And it's pretty easy. You just use the chicken ball and then add the same amount of water. Like if you use one can of the chicken ball and 1 can of the water, it will be enough for like 4 people size. If you want more, then you add like 6 people, you put 1.5 can of the chicken ball and then 1.5 can of the water. And then the seafood, it can be more or the same, it will be fine. And then the egg at the end, no matter how many you make, you put 1 egg will be enough. Let's say you put 2 cans of the chicken broth, still 1 egg, it will be fine. And tofu, if you make more, you can like probably put more tofu, but I will say the ingredient, keep it same for 1 to 2 cans of the chicken broth size will be good. If you more than that, then of course like you need to put more of the seafood and tofu. But within 1 to 2 cans, I would say it will be fine. Like you can add a little bit more or it's same, it's no problem. Just like you have more of the seafood in your soup or not. So you put 1 can of the chicken bowl, then add another can of the water, the same size. Then after the water boil, you put the black mushroom, and then you can put the tofu, The seafood will put at last. After the water boil, you put the seafood. Then for the corn structure, it's 1 teaspoon corn structure. You put 3 teaspoons of the water. The ratio is like that, but it depends on you. Like if for this size 1 can of chicken bowl, you only need to put 2 teaspoons of the corn structure. That means it's like 6 teaspoons of the water. Mix them together, then put it in, will be fine. Remember, the water need to be cold water when you mix with the corn structure. After you mix it well, the last thing you put will be the tofu. Then after the tofu get in, the tofu will have some water, so don't do the tasting before that. After everything go in, and then you mix it well, and then the water boil, then you can taste it, and then you can add the egg before you serve. So you can put the white pepper or some salt to seasoning it. Then you put the egg at the end. After you put in the egg, mix it gently. Then it's done. The seafood tofu soup is that easy. Everyone can make it. And I hope everyone have a happy Mother's Day. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and click the bell so I have a new video. You won't miss it. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.